You love PURELL, but you know the challenge in a high-traffic bathroom. Nobody likes to refill a countermount soap dispenser from under the counter. That's why PURELL innovated a breakthrough top-fill design that eliminates the need to remove panels and can reduce labor by 57%. The new CXR REDIFOAM System. The ultra-durable CXR system is purpose-built for high-traffic environments. An all-metal spout, an ingenious indicator light that tells your team when it's time to refill, and if you choose to power the CXR system using batteries, an indicator light even tells you when batteries are running low. Plus, medical-grade connections provide airless fluid transfer. And a no-drip closure means refilling is always neat and clean. Best of all, the CXR system is future-proof and situation-ready, designed for future smart system integration. Ready for tight spaces with a rotational gearbox and both a 2-liter and a 1-liter reservoir. Plus, power source flexibility. And of course, PURELL branded soaps, specifically formulated to maintain peak performance from the brand you know and trust to deliver peace of mind. PURELL. Contact your GOJO rep today or visit gojo.com/CXR to learn more.